In today's video, we're diving into the battle of landing page software, ConvertKit versus OptimizePress. Which one should you choose for building your high-converting landing pages? Stick around till the end, because I'll share a better alternative that might just blow both of these out of the water. First up, let's talk about ConvertKit. This is known as an email marketing platform, but it also offers landing page features. The landing page builder itself is easy to use and offers some decent templates, especially for creators and bloggers. However, where ConvertKit shines is its integration with email automation. If you're already using ConvertKit for email marketing, adding a landing page to your workflow is seamless. Next thing, the customization options. ConvertKit is pretty straightforward, but some users have mentioned that it's somewhat limited in terms of design flexibility compared to other tools. It's perfect for those who want simplicity, but if you want to get more advanced with custom design, you might feel a little boxed in. The third thing is its pricing. ConvertKit offers a free plan with landing pages, but it's pretty limited. As your email list grows and you need more features, you'll need to move to a paid plan. So, if you're just starting out, it might be fine. But for established businesses or marketers, you'll need to fork out for more robust options. Switching gears to OptimizePress, this one is a bit of a different beast. OptimizePress is known for being more of a page builder, designed specifically for WordPress. It has a ton of templates, and the landing pages you can create are often more customizable than ConvertKit. You're getting much more flexibility with your design options, which is great for marketers who want to create a unique look and feel for their landing pages. But that also means it has a steeper learning curve. It's not as intuitive as ConvertKit, and there's a bit of a learning curve involved, especially if you're not familiar with WordPress. The fourth thing to mention is its functionality. OptimizePress is great for creating all sorts of pages, like sales pages and membership sites. But if you're looking for just landing pages, it might feel like overkill. You get a lot of extra features that you may not need. And as a WordPress plugin, it can be a little tricky if you're not already on the platform. Now, when it comes to pricing, OptimizePress doesn't offer a free plan like ConvertKit. It's a premium tool with a one-time fee for access. That might seem appealing at first, but depending on your needs, you might end up paying for features that you won't use. Next, let's talk about integrations. Both ConvertKit and OptimizePress have good integrations, but ConvertKit has an edge when it comes to email marketing. If email automation is your priority, ConvertKit is likely going to work better with your existing tools. The fifth thing is support. Both platforms offer decent support, but users report ConvertKit as being more accessible with a user-friendly support team. OptimizePress can be a bit slow with responses, and some users have mentioned it's harder to find answers to complex questions. Now, you've heard all the facts, and I'm sure you're wondering, which one is the best? Well, both of these are good landing page builders, but they have their drawbacks. If you want simplicity, ConvertKit is the way to go, especially if you're already using it for email marketing. But if you're after more customization, flexibility, and you're familiar with WordPress, OptimizePress might be worth considering. However, after trying both of these out, I found a better alternative. If you're serious about creating high-converting landing pages without the limitations of both ConvertKit and OptimizePress, I recommend you check out the free trial in the first link in the description. With that link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, while ConvertKit and OptimizePress are decent options, if you want something even better, I highly recommend you give it a try. Click the link in the description for your exclusive trial today.